Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to edit your pictures in HDR mode in Adobe Lightroom. But before I get into that, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now the first thing you wanna do, as you can see, I'm on my main page here right now. I have all of my pictures pulled up, my camera roll. Obviously, you wanna choose a picture which you wanna edit. I'm gonna choose this random one with tattoo. Let's tap on that. As you can see, there are buttons at the bottom of your screen. Now we're gonna choose edit is the third option. After that, click on light is the second option. And here you wanna scroll down all the way. And here you have this little thing called edit in HDR mode. You have to tap on it. It will bring up this window, but you just say got it. And from now on, you will edit in HDR mode. This will make your picture more colory and more beautiful. So yeah, guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.